welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, guys, we are doing a 15-minute clean up challenge, and for this challenge we're going to be cleaning the inner part of our windows. If you're able to clean the outside of your windows, then by all means do so. So whichever rooms you decide to choose for this challenge, make sure the first thing you want to do, if you have curtains, you want to push the curtains back. If you have blinds, you want to pull the blinds up. And for my challenge, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen windows, my living room windows, my bedroom windows, and my master bathroom windows. And so in order for us to fulfill this challenge, the next thing we want to do is to set a timer. Set your timer. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the challenge. Alright, you guys, I am all done. Unfortunately, I did not complete everything in 15 minutes, but guess what? I only went over like 26 seconds, but I had to maneuver the camera as I was doing this video. However, I am very, very proud of myself. I was able to complete all the windows that I chose to do. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.